Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan chese busuama no kase de ne ho akoka adua mu a NPP youth no ebuafu gidigidi almost say yan kanche on Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan say there is no way obey the flag bearer of the new patriotic party. Almost say so na Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan adwen ye ne say NPP osu kwama nyoko ne bema ono ona Kennedy e Japan nipa bi te se ono a na no ano ya ankasa saa no obey the flag bearer of the party dia na kire say agro e wona ni so na insama mo da to jale busua ese woni ensa okachwe ona bo Kennedy Akompre go Japan maka kire wo say send the NPP youth no ebuafu na be ya nka resign maka kire wo ahuntie be ka ahuntie waso odin papa waso odin but NPP youth no e wo message ma wo omo very good message bi on person de ma wo na me sure say wutie wi a wankasa no obetimi take the right decision no hu de wo ya ebeboa wo because say wo kọ a year contest na nipa akọ contest na wo pese obedi omanim no se omo kasa asemu e de kire wo na so ye panyin a sebe imperial san wo dwene ko akire na sa wo da so nye so a se wo tie sa asemu ewie a wan kasa no betu ho fo se enya ade a wo bekọ biom na mma me kasa enwa no meka wo se ha Ghana Insem TV so se wo ba be like it na wa share na wa kire wa adwen wo comment section na mu e de amame afa me no bebo no makwa kotie nsem a NPP youth no e da kokoma Honorable Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan nsem o maka kire no eni de nti e hu behia se nke be ya obe resign se ne be ya ni eye animonyam a owo we party nim no emfiri wonko yambo mu ne nkoko tie nsem a Ghana for NPP youth asma da koma Honorable Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan former MP Edema Central Avenue no eye NPP presidential aspirant yankombra
se kan Japan na chita for mo se ba omianya moden mo se ba omianya moden madika ga che mo se Kennedy Japan wotimi nya president on say president ne kasa say president ni nimu de etimi nya president ne nanti akra nya president ni padua say president oti ase edi Kennedy na kasa kra kwose ma ko ho me ye from Kennedy mo de comment section obia onim Kennedy bi no mo meka ni suban na brabo edi Kennedy de to so a mimi say yasuoma pem oba mi kro mensu ne do na pem ne onu nu o ya kola de dwale wa no aye from enu na jeme enu mponi oti ase Kennedy Japan no ne hu bibia ni ho betime president etimunya Dr. Mahmoud Baumia papa bi no nwe ne ho Baumia gold Baumia obrenya ya brenya ye da kufu adu ase so de Baumia breyen oti ase ye ka cracky brain na fa bu manya enye bi ni Kennedy Japan wo because he cape enya adwen ya de pe na last because say kwakuma ne kro anya sika enya adwen ya de pe what you say nyame na de che because o say kwa me despite tama o ton ne ma obush ka set ne ade no o me na form yan san nam onu nko na survive ye e che say ya dom eti munya say Kennedy Japan ye dede etuetu ya so many pen home no na untimi nya president on fata president what you say on until left say president ba president jinawa obi nkan to say we of fata president what you say ohwe Baumia na dwene ni nyansa me say me ade ba ko ekumi won ho kura mpo ye say first you call banker moto foi akronfo ti ni moto betetew na ya yireo ni aji usika ene mimi kwa edwuma ne tua me ka me kwatena bank o mi ame for to my account im se mpase me yiska me nkosa layo ne ma say yef my account number me phone so ne ma yes embotom when your friends are dwen aye di bu man onu nkasa ka cho so no president no bedi a obeko 2 times pe ena ma pam no because you obey no obi obey president or hwesu or hwe obet or hwe osin or hwe wani wa long sleeve asan on my post obi obey president or organize concert na patapa be bonyo me asa we be your president my friend munya Baumia NPP go munya life my number 3 delegate for yasramo mo go to ma Baumia papa
enti ebusuana kire se nsamo a NPP youth no edit to Ghana kire se me no kokoti ede baaye no maka kire se Honorable Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan waye mistake bi na sa mistake na waye no se wan hwe no one solve that mistake now. A better thing at the amano. Yes, a better thing the amano because say youth are or more party or person obedient no. It make us ask him which one actually say there is something wrong somewhere. Now, if we say, then pan on a book in the compare with Japan, why ye? In some bay no can yenti mind the youth in the buafua or mocas answer way at the channel. These are some of the things we should be asking ourselves. It is not just about you not liking the person or you disliking the person or anything or you hating on the person or something. It is about what the people are saying. The constituents, the delegates, the grassroots of the party. Are they really in love with you? Do they really want you to lead the party? Do they really like you as you've been saying? Because it appears say and I don't know the reason why it is very hard for this man to understand the fact that the NPP grassroots, the main grassroots in Abana, can be a woman. They don't like you. See, sometimes I remember one and yes, secrets are also the catcher. It is fact, it is real, it is something that is happening. Everybody able to make their dance here said this is what is happening. This is what is happening. It is something that everybody can see and feel. You understand? Everybody can see and feel. So as a member or a former member of parliament and someone or person believe a great party like the New Patriotic Party, you should know where you stand. You should know your stand. You should know the things you should be telling the people. Because a lot of people looks up to you. The people be on you are your real model. They looks up to you. And the only part they are looking up to you, no. So okay, can someone ebema or more crown, they don't even know how to campaign for you anymore. Because see, I was talking to this man, I think like 3 days ago or something. And no, as more can nani say, unim send ye obey me about defense amount about Canada Japan. From the in some can in Yama way. They don't know. They don't know how to, they don't even know how to help you again. They don't know how to help you again. And it's becoming very sad to say. And then I could do baby a war. Very, very sad. Very sad. But who are you going to blame? Now the people are saying that they would never allow you to become the flag bearer. In fact, they would make sure they vote against you so that you don't win the election for you to become the flag bearer. The question is, why are they saying all these things? What did you do to them? What are their reasons behind what they are saying? Because I'm not sure, say they will just wake up and say anything, keke. They would have a reason to be saying all these things. So, what are the reasons? And this is the question Ghanaians are asking. A lot of people are asking this same question. And it appears to be like you are not liked by the people. The real grassroots now, sorry, I will say you are for the grassroots, you are for the grassroots, you know. The grassroots in Ankasa so umpel. And I'm not the one saying it. The Ghanaians are the ones saying it. They don't. So I would advise you saying, Kebeya, withdraw from this contest. Just withdraw. Where I say, the class maka. Now so me what do I say? And I think that would help you and everyone. How you Ghana and 7 TV, I'm just so any promise.